The 2025 BMW S1000R represents the pure essence of German engineering in the world of naked superbikes. Stripped down yet uncompromising, this motorcycle carries forward the DNA of the legendary S1000RR superbike but adapts it for those who crave raw power, agility, and an unfiltered riding experience. BMW has taken what was already one of the most aggressive Streetfighters and sharpened it further, making the 2025 model a machine that feels alive beneath you every time you twist the throttle. At the heart of the S1000R beats a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine derived directly from the superbike world. This powerhouse now delivers around 165 horsepower, giving riders more than enough thrust to dominate the streets or carve through twisty backroads with ease. BMW's engineers have fine-tuned the power delivery for a balance between instant low-end punch and screaming high-end performance, ensuring the bike feels responsive no matter the situation. Coupled with a quick shifter and perfectly spaced gearing, the bike practically dares you to push it harder, rewarding you with blistering acceleration and intoxicating sound. The frame is a lightweight aluminum unit borrowed from the RR, designed to offer precision and stability even at the highest speeds. Combined with BMW's latest dynamic damping control, the suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, making the S1000R equally at home on rough urban streets as it is on silky smooth highways. The ride feels planted and predictable, yet agile enough to flick confidently into corners. Braking is handled by dual radial-mounted calipers with Brembo hardware up front, delivering the kind of stopping power you'd expect from a machine built for speed and precision. Electronics play a huge role in defining the 2025 S1000R, and BMW has spared no expense. Riders get multiple riding modes including rain, road, dynamic, and configurable pro modes, letting you tailor throttle response, traction control, wheelie control, and ABS sensitivity to your exact preference. The 6.5-inch TFT display is crisp and fully customizable, giving riders an intuitive interface to monitor performance and settings on the go. Connectivity features allow smartphone pairing, navigation, and even data logging for track enthusiasts who want to analyze their laps. Visually, the 2025 S1000R continues to carry the aggressive, forward-leaning stance that makes it instantly recognizable. Sharp LED headlights with BMW's signature light signature add to the futuristic feel, while the sculpted fuel tank and exposed frame showcase the bike's muscular build. Every angle of this machine screams performance, from the aerodynamic bodywork to the minimal tail section that emphasizes speed and agility. It's a naked bike, but one that looks as intimidating as it performs. Rider comfort has also been refined for this generation. The ergonomics strike a fine balance between aggressive sportiness and long-distance usability. Adjustable handleb,